Na na na. Na 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 na. Na na.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Lee, and don't forget to be a subscriber and press the notification button so you'll be notified when I post new videos on my YouTube channel. I'm gonna show to you my wig that I've been wearing for 2 months or 3 months. I'm not sure for how long, but too long. It really needed a wash, it needed a conditioner, it needed everything in life. Bundles are from Annmode. Closure is from local beauty supply store here in Amsterdam. Bliss wig is a little bit similar what they sell from the same that I'm wearing now, so you can go purchase that. And I had a little bit like troubles with my hair. I always do, and I think maybe because of the stress, I'm not sure if that was the cause of it, but I really wanted to shave everything off. I shaved all of my hair off I think in September. It took a long while for it to grow because I never had did a big chop from able to have like a bob, cutting it off, getting bald spots on my head, breaking off hair, and my edges. I always had like a problem with my edges, but now my edges were like they were gone. I don't know where they went. So I really had to make the transition or the big step to do the big chop, learn how to love me again without my hair, because I love my hair, but we all know we love our hair. So that was that. Okay, so I know my hair looks wet now, but I'm going to show to you how I maintain my curls that really need to be thrown away, and you can still do something with it. If you have old hair, you can get yourself a new closure, or you can make it flip over with old hair. You can still do something with it. So that's what I really wanted to get out of my video. Yeah, also in the end of the clips, I'm going to show to you how the hair looks when it's fully dry. You'll see by 20 minutes or an hour, I don't know. You're gonna see how it looks when it fully dry, air dry. And yeah, I'm not gonna do a voiceover. I don't feel like doing a voiceover in this video, so you can just chill, watch me do everything that I do to create this look. Don't forget the thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and also make sure you hit that notification button, because YouTube is not gonna tell you when I'm posting another video, but you have to do it yourself. So don't forget to do that, and you will see me in my next one. Bye guys.